um, another vlog, Rain or Shine at SMB. No? So, dahil 0-4 itong Rain or Shine, nagpalit ito ng import. So, lumamang sila, no? Hanggang first quarter lamang sila. Pag tapos ng first half, tabla na. Then, may nangyaring hindi maganda. Junmar Pardo was expected to have a fractured hand. Parang bali yung left hand ni Junmar Pardo, pero naglaro pa rin siya. May masasabi lang ako doon. Okay, nanalo yung San Miguel this game dahil because of bench depth. Malalim yung bench nila, but I don't know if they can win in the playoffs, quarterfinals, semifinals kung wala si Junmar sa loob. Kasi Junmar, alam naman natin yung nadadala ni Junmar eh. Kasi kahit mawala yung ibang gwardiya, for as long as Junmar is there, together with Ivan Aska, yung import, may laban yung San Miguel kahit na may mga wing at mga gwardyang injured. Importante si Junmar eh. So hindi ko alam kung tatagal yung San Miguel in the long run with Junmar injured or sideline. And then, habang tumatagal yung laro, nakita natin yung dominance ng San Miguel. Yun yung hindi na sustained ng Rain or Shine. Rain or Shine na pumukpok sa offense, nakikipagsabayan sa San Miguel, pero hindi nila madepensahan itong San Miguel. Yun yung problema nila because they lack size. Defensively yung problema nila. San Miguel, ilan yung malalaki? Wala pa si Vic Manuel dyan na isa pang pahirap sa kalaban ng San Miguel, di ba? So, yun. Yun lang yung problema doon. Dumikit sila pero hindi talaga kinaya dahil malalim yung San Miguel. Pero I don't know if how San Miguel would able to sustain that winning run with Junmar injured or sideline. So, yun lang po.